thing is mad. Giant shift knob there. What? Go and find. Oh,
I can sit down.
carbon fiber. What's carbon fiber? Hello everyone, it's Japbox Jacob here, and today we are back at Calder Park for the LV World Tour, the final day in Australia. We're just walking through the car park at the moment. There are so many cars, dailies and also projects. Even better, an R33. As you can see before we get into the tunnel, we're just walking in at this stage. I don't think we'll have to line up and scan in again. So this just in, both of J-Lo standards cars are going in. The 2JZ Honda Odyssey, CA18 or something, Nissan, I can't remember what the name of it is. There we go. You okay prepared? Umbrella gang.
It's rear-wheel drive, so it's not all drive.
Make some room. Hey, you heard that?
up and running.
Chucking it in as Jason Barron doing a fantastic job. Yard sale.
Absolutely. Australia, are you not entertained? These boys are hitting walls for your entertainment. Remember, the grand prize, all the money in the world wouldn't buy you. That skateboard deck that they get at the top of the podium. One smashing every car into every wall.
Yeah, that was a lot of smashing. And this was the first battle. There are so many more to go.
I have a feeling this is going to be a very sketchy but entertaining top 16.
I am fully into it, and so are these guys. Obviously, they're sending it for this crowd out here, and it is a fantastically overcast Irish day.
It's beautiful. This is the height of summer for us. Yes, it's kind of weather. Unbelievable. Australia, make some noise for Brody Maher and Jason Ferrin. That was an interesting one. A lot of crashing, a lot of hitting things. Some good wall runs, some bad crashing. A lot of wings got lost in that one. And hugs all around for these two drivers as they await their decision from the judges. So it's tough one for the judges there.
This is. There was a lot of mistakes made on both sides.
Well, has gotten too many cars in there not to cause a bit of ruckus later on.
Exactly where he needs to be.
Great work from Adam LZ. You know what? For me, it's so cool to see these type of battles because nowadays it's very high level protesting. You just don't get to hear out there swinging around his LZ goes in the chase. You're more idle than the lead car. Happy a little bit wide on those two sections, but LZ Gitch's transition was really nice. Just here, like brakes there, going to keep the car moving. So it looks to me like that car having trouble staying up well. Watch this here as Alex starts to die off all the power. Very right there. Yeah, so not sure what the issue is there. That car all the way through. We're going to have to see who is going to go to the top 8. Decision dropping in from the judges. 3, 2, 1. It's Marcus McCarthy gets the win and goes through to our grade 8. And you can see it, Adam just running out of steam a little bit on that last corner, straight up before the finish line. Mez is down with the man himself. It looked like he was struggling a little bit, Mez, but he got there in the end.
Yeah, absolutely fighting with a wounded soldier here, are you? Yeah, so the car ran great. We actually broke a rocker arm when I thought it was a coupler before, so I think a little safer. And I think we were a little bit too crazy because it was just like cutting power completely. But it's still a red battle, so I'm stoked. And when Marcus sort of gave you that love tap after the line, did you out of the glove box and ready to go when you got to the start line, or it was all kosher? Honestly, I have to say, one of the coolest things he ever did on the line, I left in 3rd, and he could have just rolled me down the whole straight, and he waited for me, and that was really fucking cool. So thank you for that.
Awesome. Awesome. You love to see it. Unity in the community. All right, make some noise for Adam LZ, ladies and gentlemen.
Get back in the battle, and this is what it should be. Fair game. Who's going to win the 2? Was it a disadvantage to Marcus? No, it was again.
Oh no, there is no tent anymore.
It's okay, we still have it somewhere.
Somewhere. It blew away, surely. Well, that ain't going anywhere. I shall call him Colin.
What?
20 to 7 is the
Oh yeah, that's the time?
It's on.
It's big on.
He's got to get that up, yeah.
One for you, one for Grant. Make sure you cheers, and I want to say, I normally post it on your story.
Grant will be fucking hyped. I don't know where the hell he is.
That's the problem.
Bro, someone's let off a sniper. What was that noise? Hey, yo, what's that on fire? This actually marks like the revival of drifting at Calder Park, because this place has been around for ages, but it's just starting to be revived and things are just starting to get fixed. Like they just redid the tarmac on the drag strip recently, and also from what we saw, even in the grandstands, they're starting to get refurbished as well. All the grass is being cut and all the weeds that are kind of cropping back up have just been removed from the looks of it. So there are a lot of big works for this place coming, which is awesome. But the fact that we managed to get Adam LV and a lot of big drifters and big names in the drifting scene down to go and experience an amazing day of shredding tires, it's just absolutely unbelievable. I have no words for what I just witnessed. And not only that, but I got to witness Jimmy Oakes receiving 2 VB long necks, which is a great way to end the day. Now that today is over, we're gonna go off and we're gonna go and edit this whole video. We've got so much content to go through, and I'm going to enjoy the echoing of this tunnel. Look at this place. Anyway, I will see you guys when I get home. So, I've finally arrived back from one of the biggest weekends that we've had this month, and I have to say, LV World Tour was a massive event. Now, Keep It Real usually hosts at that spot almost every month, and usually it is a fairly simple layout of what's going to happen, what to expect, but World Tour was actually way above what you would expect from a Keep It Real style event. We had a whole different range of broadcasters, they had a lot more camera crew, and also they just had a lot more vendors on store. But yeah, the day has been long and so has the weekend, and I'm just really trying to calm down and cool off from it because it was massive. There was so much going on, and now I can finally rest and get to editing this massive video that we've got coming up. So, if you enjoyed what you saw, please give this video a like. It really means a lot, and I'm very thankful for the people who do watch my videos and stick around to the end and enjoy them, because I put these videos together for my enjoyment as well as yours. It's really good to see that some people really like the stuff that I do. But anyway, I will see you guys in the next one. Have a good night.